Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can view your presentations on Gamma AI in the preview. So let us guide you through it. So here in Gamma AI, what you want to do is navigate to Gammas to the left and select one of your created presentations. Let me go with this one here. Next, click into that present button in the top right to enter the preview mode. You may also use the shortcut Control Enter, or you may narrow down your settings, you may customize your settings. Excuse my poor English here, by clicking into that drop-down menu and select, for example, a specific type of presentation, like presentation or presenting in a full screen mode or only in this tab, and you will see the shortcut here to the right, or the presenter view. And that's basically it. Now let me go with the simple preview mode by clicking into present here. And that's your presentation. And you can use, for example, your arrow keys on your keyboard to navigate through your presentation, and that's basically it. You may also enable auto presentation here at the top, or for example, no, that's the zoom. excuse me here. You can zoom in, zoom out. You can also exit the present mode here, or enter the full screen mode, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.